is where the clock tower is supposed to be installed. Most likely this is the first of its kind. A little bit of what is going on over here. Hey. Sweetie baby. What is up, guys? It's yours truly, the African Tiger, and I'm just taking a walk around the ongoing Kampala Flyover project, just trying to show you guys a little bit of what is going on over here. So this side has just been done, and now they're partly working on the other side. Just taking a walk here so you guys can see what is taking place at the construction of the flyover. So basically on this other side, heading towards Nsambya Road. This is known as Queensway, and this is what's taking place. In case you're new to the channel, consider subscribing and also turn on the notification bell to get notified whenever I drop new videos. This is what's going on over here at the flyover. (2023) updates of the flyover. Down over here you have our Safi market.
Okay.
That's what's taking place over there. So I'm going to access. This is pretty much where it ends this side, so let me try and get to the other side of Nsambya. I want to have to cross over here and try and make my way, show you guys the other side of Zambia Road. But for now, this side, this is how it is looking. Okay, so let me make my way to the other side. Mega project taking place in Kampala. It's been ongoing for a while now. Personally, I think it's been long overdue because if my memory serves me well, sometime towards the end of last year, I remember government through the UNRA, which is the body responsible for roads, Uganda Roads Authority, they had mentioned how the project was supposed to be done by December last year, but I guess that was impossible, but it's still going on basically. This is what you see right now. This is how far the project has come. So this is Queensway. I don't know that they've changed the name, but this is Queensway. We want to be walking towards the Zambia side, Mukwano Arcade as well. Like what you see, guys, consider subscribing and turn on the notification bell to get notified whenever I drop videos on this channel. latest updates. Flyover. This is like the main part of the project. I believe they're supposed to install a clock right in the middle of this section over here, just like it was before. It's known as Clock Tower. Let me pass here and just continue. Okay, this is where the clock tower is supposed to be installed, the center there. But let's pass this side as we proceed. It actually says pedestrian pass. There was a notice over there, just right there, saying this is the pedestrian's path. So let's make our way to Mukwano side, which also has the underpass. The underpass is somewhere this side. So, as you guys know, this is a huge project for Kampala that is going to help decongest traffic jam in the CBD. So yeah, much respect and good work from the government of Uganda. This project is also done alongside the government of Japan and GICA, GICA. It's an organization for Japan. That's where we're coming from, guys. Let's continue. Harvard photo. Total petrol station over here. Strategic location for a petrol station. Let's continue to this other side of Mukwano Road. Chinese supermarket over here. Just over here, seeing lots of these caterpillars. Lots of caterpillars over here that are carrying out most of the work that's taking place here. I don't know if I can pass through that underpass. Try my best and see if I can. I believe I can pass through that underpass, so let's try and make our way there. Lots of youths around here. I don't know exactly what's going on. But let's proceed, guys. This is how the Kampala Flyover project is looking. Yeah, there's actually the railway actually cuts through here, as you guys can see here. The railway cuts through right over here. See that? Railway line has been maintained. It will be cutting through there. Yeah. Try and see a bit of this area here, the underpass. Kind of dark inside there at the moment, but let's see how it looks over there. August 2023, Kampala Flyover. This is the underpass at Nsambya Road. As you guys can see, up there is Arena Mall. It overlooks the underpass, Nsambya Underpass. Like the video, share the video, guys, and also consider subscribing in case it's your first time on this channel. This is the underpass, guys. First of its kind in Uganda. Correct me, guys, if I'm wrong, but most likely this is the first of its kind in Uganda. Slightly dark in here, but let's see. There's actually someone coming on the other side.
Anywhere you go, you belong. Anywhere you say, anywhere.
This is huge, guys. What do you think? Leave a comment in the comment section. Let me know how you feel about the Kampala Flyover project. It would actually be much darker than it is right now, but I can see there's some light, as you guys can see. Yep. Underpass, my people.
Anywhere you go, you belong. Anywhere you say,
Where we?
anywhere.
Yes, sir. Carry. And here we are. We out of the tunnel. Give you guys a look of where I'm coming from. Wow. Impressive. August 2023. Another look. Arena Mall is just up here. Arena Mall is over there. Wow. So this road is Mukwano Road. This is Mukwano Road. Then just up over there, also overlooking the underpass on this side, is Marriott Hotel, also under construction. So this entire place has changed a lot. If you left Uganda like about 5 years ago, by the time you come back, you'll be in shock when you pass via this area. It will totally be unrecognizable to you. Footbridge on this side. We're getting to the footbridge on this side. Hope you guys are enjoying this walk with me, the Kampala Flyover. Consider subscribing. I'd like to send a big shout out to Frank. Frank, I know you're watching. Big shout out to you. Thanks for supporting the channel. Appreciate it. So, this is how this place is looking. This is the walk path on Mukwano Road. Walk path on Mukwano Road. See if I can climb up here. Show you guys from up. Mukwano Road footbridge. Try and see if I can get up here a little bit. I'm at the footbridge on Mukwano Road. Wow, look at the sunset. Sun setting over the footbridge. So looks like you can't go up. I was just trying to go up, but one of the people down there just stopped me and told me it's not allowed to go up. Let's just finish this walk from the other side of Mukwano Road. Yeah, this other side has also changed a lot. I can see they've added more layers on this road. So a lot has been going on since I last updated you guys. Okay, in a bit. Oh, excuse me, a nice view of the Marriott. Nice view over there of Marriott Twin Towers. Then just below it is steel. Wow, that's nice. Nice view of Marriott Hotel. Okay guys, so coming to the end of this video. This is where the road is ending on this side. In case you've watched this far and it's your first time to the channel, kindly consider subscribing. Those who are already subscribed, thank you very much for supporting this journey, and keep supporting. I truly appreciate it. Okay guys, there you have it.